Toyota GR86, 231 horsepower, price £30,140. Interior, nice. Lots of soft touches, Alcantara, leather, good size steering wheel. Displays are functional, maybe a little bit basic in this day and age. Physical controls, a lot of buttons, nice. Dedicated buttons for traction control and track mode. Track mode gives you this special fancy rev display. The brake pedal is a good feel, good weight, not over assisted, allows you to brake accurately. Good gear change, quite snappy. Seats, very good, comfortable, but supportive as well. 4-cylinder engine, gives quite a nice sound. Not an enormous amount of room for passengers in the back. This little cubby though, if you try and rest your hand on it, your elbow always kind of accidentally opens it, so you kind of end up your elbow in a hole. Overall though, this is a lovely car to drive. Very well poised, very balanced, not too noisy, fast enough, gives you nice confidence, very good feeling control. Just a really good all-round package. I want one.